Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log in to your HomePoint Finance. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in HomePoint Finance, login, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as portal.hpfctpo.com. In my case, it's the first one. Now to log in, tap on the sign in button. And now you need to provide your login credentials to log into HomePoint. So provide your email address in the text field given for email address. Then provide your password in the text field given for password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset by tapping on this text "Forgot your password." Now to log into HomePoint, all you gotta do is tap on the sign in button and you will be logged in successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechPoint for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.